motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break.
What is up, guys? Everybody, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. What is going on? What is going on? All right. Right. Mr. Kamal. Mehdi, what is up? Jerry trades futures. Gastoni, daily day trades. Everybody, guys. Oh, my dear. Today was one hell of a day. One hell of a day. Ooh, was rough. Was rough. So just to quickly give you guys a little bit of a briefing on how I did today. Obviously, I started the day pretty well, right? I did quick scalps here and there within that chop. And then when the market flushed, I was on my Funded Futures Network account, and that was obviously my exhibition account. And I ended up blowing that account on that first flush, big flush that we got, because yeah, I mean, I only had one mini contract and I was trying to play that chop, and obviously the market would not want to give me that little bounce right at the start, right? All we really had was, I think it was right here. I think this is probably where I actually entered. And then and then what happens? I mean, you did not even get a bounce. I did not even add anything. And then you gave this big dumpage, and I was like, okay, all right, I'm out automatically, right? Forced liquidation. And then so that was gone. And then I also lost I think $1,700 on one of my very important Apex account, and another Apex account I lost $2,000. So I had two accounts. I still have a decent drawdown, because one of them was $4,000 and one of them was $23,000 of profit on it. So but give or take, that $2,000 on each of those accounts kind of hurt. And then I blew the Funded Futures Network exhibition account, and then everything else is kind of like, did not really truly that matter, right? It was kind of break even, some up, some down, really. But honestly, I did not really trade as much after getting destroyed on my Funded Futures Network. I decided to kind of scale back and just kind of walk away. But this market obviously ended up just getting pullback, and would not stop. Everybody. And then of course midday we kind of chopped around I don't know, what was that again? Yeah, during the midday into the power hour, we kind of chopped the whole range. And I think a lot of traders, including myself, I was looking for that little bit of a break. Either we break it down or we break it to the upside. One of the two. Market did not give us any of that, right? So, you know, it is what it is. We saw a lot of stocks. They just absolutely got annihilated today. I did not do anything on my swing trades. Obviously, you guys know. I got a public account, and I have what was that account? I've got 35K on that account, and I've got almost $5,000 off position on it. And today I was down about $300. Holy macchino. It was obviously a lot of tech stocks, right, on that positions. But yeah, I was down about $300 with only about $5,000 of position, right? So yeah, I'm kind of expecting to see some more rollover, and then obviously a lot of my orders, my limit orders that I've placed underneath all the key supports may end up getting filled, and probably maybe in a couple weeks we may end up getting a whole bunch of my limit orders actually get filled. Anyways, coming back here today, let's see if CPI tomorrow, guys, is gonna save the last dance, or are we going to just get a massive liquidation take place tomorrow? Is it gonna be Black Friday tomorrow, guys? What is up, man? Bounce back blades, what is up, man? 44 Punisher in the house. Kamal, Miss Key, Hasnain. Holy man, Hasnain. Let's take a look at the chat. Sorry guys, so I started a little early because I was like, you know what, the market was just so nasty. I wanted to cheer my fellow traders. If anybody here had a bad day, you lost $100, well, that's fine. $100, no bueno, it's all right. We all lost today. Enki played nasty on it. Yeah, I mean, Enki definitely did. But you know, I mean, I wasn't interested in trying to keep losing accounts, you know what I mean? I could have gone a little aggressively in my trades, and then okay, blue one, next, blew one, and then, you know, I didn't want to be doing that today. And of course, I've been trying my level best to refrain from being aggressive in my trades and losing accounts, right? So even though I may be green on a lot of my other accounts, but even then I didn't want to lose any. So I think that was a good example today. I lost one, and then I ended up walking away, which is great, showing a lot of great discipline here lately, which is great. You're going through a tough time, need $100 urgently. You can going through a tough time. Oh, Hasnain is going through a tough time, guys. He needs $100. What do we do? It's a Friday. Yeah, it's Friday the 13th too. Holy guys, man. Yeah, it's gonna be wild. Yeah, I mean, if you're asking me to make a little guess, I have no idea. I don't want to guess. I just want to wake up tomorrow in the morning, and then I'm hoping the market's back obviously higher, hopefully. We'll see. It's gonna be a wild one, right? It's let's go take a look on a 30-minute chart on a larger time frame. Just want to kind of, oh my god, what the hell's going on with this chart? Hold on one second, guys. This is not this quant tower. There's something going on with my quant tower. It's just not working out nicely. Anyways, let's try to use okay, so all right, so where we are right now, just want to take us back on an hourly chart. Yeah, I mean, we obviously broke a very important key level. Yeah, this is a huge level, guys. I mean, this is a huge, massive level. The $25,000 back down into 24,800 was a big level, and we just cracked underneath that. We got a little bit of a minor support right at the swing low. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to hold that. We definitely have to. Yeah, I mean, we are right in the middle now, right? We have a chance of a little bounce that could take us another 60 points. We got a nice little VWAP at 25k as well. So we'll see how this thing kind of plays out right at the start. We got 13 more minutes to go from here. Are we going to try to retest the low, or are we going to try to get a little bit of a bounce in this market? Still lots of weakness, guys. Lots of weakness in this market. Lots and lots. And of course, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin. Yeah, Benzil. That's right. Who is Ghost Tokyo? Lucky Maid. What is going on, man? So yeah, okay, so there we go. So tomorrow, Friday, guys, we got CPI that's going to be rolling in at 8:30 in the morning, so that's going to be huge. We had a big nasty pullback on Apple. Nvidia obviously did pull back as well. Not as much though. I mean, guys, Nvidia 186, it's not as bad, right? It's not as bad. I mean, I don't think it's as bad, to be honest. Nvidia 186, come on, guys. I mean, by now we should have probably expected to see Nvidia down in the maybe 160s or 150s, but I mean, Nvidia nothing. I mean, compared to what we got in this market today, right? 1.5%. I mean, it's all right. For Nvidia shareholders, I think you're fine. We got Meta down $18. I mean, all these mega caps are not looking as bad, other than obviously Amazon and Netflix down at 75, guys. Holy cappuccino. So Netflix down at 75. I bought 3 shares today on my swing trading account, and then I've got you know, like 10 shares placed each in between the 70 to 60 range. So if we get another flush down, 70 to $60 range, I probably end up having about 25 shares by the time it's said and done. So I don't know. I'm giving it a shot. We'll see. I hope this isn't gonna be a big drag down. I hope it isn't gonna be a big massive Imagine if Netflix is down in the 30s. Oh, it's gonna be wild, right? So yeah, Kid Poker, what's going on, Kid Poker, man? Long time no see. Thanks for being here. Netflix down. Well, not Netflix. NQ down 2% today. CPI tomorrow. The expectation is it is gonna come in line, right? So we'll see if that could actually try to save the day, or maybe we get a little bit of initial pop, right? And then trap a lot of bulls, thinking, oh, CPI is gonna save the market now, and then all of a sudden that traps, and we have another yet a bigger rollover into tomorrow. A lot of the tech stocks and the AI stocks are actually getting absolutely destroyed here today. Like I said again, I did not do much on my swing trading account, but even then I was down about $400, $300 to $400, I think, if I'm not wrong. So we'll see, guys. I mean, it's obviously the market's not expecting a rate cuts, right? Because they think the labor market is okay. We had a report coming out, a report that came out yesterday, which was NFP, and that was okay. So yeah, I think there were some stocks that actually did well. The Dow Jones, obviously, the Dow was good. The industrials are actually good too. So so nothing could really say the market. We're down about 2% now. We're just gonna have to kind of wait for CPI tomorrow morning, and then the rest is history. I don't know how it's gonna play out, but let's take a look at the chat. But I hope you all had a great day, though. Okay, say bye, Mr. Killer 89. Oh, is that you, Killer? Is that you, Tokyo something? Tokyo Ghost Tokyo, that's right. Okay, I see, man. All right, good to know. Thanks for letting me know, brother. The Killer 89. All right, just stay right in the house, man. Take profit trader payout today coming in. So when the dashboard gets updated, of course, in about a few hours. Great stuff, man. Awesome. Nice, Justin. Right, man. Yeah, I'm patiently, guys, man. Let me just try to be very honest here. For the last 2 weeks, I've been so freaking patient. It's not even funny anymore. I've been so freaking patient. So I wasn't rushing into. I want my daily payout, you know. So give me some time. I'm kind of working on it. You know, I'm honestly not looking at February. I'm kind of looking a little bit more far away into March right now, so we'll see. But congrats, man. Justin, right, man. Look at your daily payout coming in tonight. Oh my god, the store keeps calling me to come back and buy more bedroom furnitures. Oh yeah, Paul Verizon, man. I mean, I'm getting calls from builders and I don't know, developers and stuff. Yeah, Yopi, man. I just explained how my trade was. I did not really get into a lot of trades, but I was down on 3 accounts, 1 blown account and 2 badly injured, right? Badly wounded. And then the rest of the accounts are fine today, so we'll see how things go. I'm gonna take one step at a time, guys. It was not as bad, to be honest. Today was the kind of a day that if I traded a little more aggressively, I would have ended up losing like lots and lots of accounts, obviously including evals and stuff, right? But I came in very patient, and yeah, I came in very patient, man. That's all I can say. After nuking one of my exhibition accounts on my Fund the Futures network, I took it really slow, and then I don't know, and honestly, I wanted to trade towards the midday into obviously the latter half of the day, but the market did not give us a chance. I mean, I could not trade this range, right? This 40 points range, I could not do that. You know, it was just too tight of a range that we had today, so I had a really tough time trying to trade this range, to be honest. I mean, if you're a micro scalper, and I'm a micro scalper myself, right? You guys know I do a lot of micro scalping myself, but I mean, it was not an easy to trade, I'll be honest. Oh! All right, guys. So here we have 5 more minutes for the market to Globex to open, and I'm not expecting massive move here today, guys. Of course, I think the market's gonna kind of wait. Well, hey, guys, I hope. Hey, by the way, guys, man, I hope all of you had a great day. Did y'all have a great day, or what? I told you how I did today. So let's try to have some fun here coming into today, of course. And by the way, guys, we got a giveaway. I'll do the entries for a giveaway here for today. In celebration of NQ down 2%. That's what it is. Okay. We are at support. We were at support right at the bottom here. 77.20. We were at the support, guys. We got 3 more minutes here, guys. 3 more minutes. The market isn't open yet. 3 more minutes. I wonder if we are gonna hold, though. To be honest, it doesn't look as promising, to be honest. Not expecting. We got to get over something very important here, right? We got to get over 900. Holy, that's a lot. So we'll take a look at this candle, guys. I mean, obviously we are still underneath the previous candle, right? We either want to get above. I'm gonna zoom out on this, you know, just to kind of give myself a little bit of a clearer picture. We go 1 there, and we want to. Okay, I want to kind of take a look and see. I want to make sure that we are okay, so I'm kind of leaning more to a little bit of a dead cat bounce, if you will. It's gonna be, let's see how this market opens, guys. I mean, it's gonna, I am very, very curious to find out how it's gonna open. I hope it's not gonna open 1% gap down. I hope that's not what it is. Kevin, what is going on, man? Mr. Parthy, Bowser Trades in the house, man. Bowser Trades in the house. Check Discord chat.
The market is open.
All right, guys, this market open now. Well, all I can see is this bad boy. Nice picture, though. All right, guys. As expected, nothing truly there at the moment. Let's take a look at the silver here. Silver is tanking pretty hard, backing down to $75. Let's take a look at the gold. Wow, gold. Holy mochaccino. Gold is dumping. We got a little bit of support that we want to kind of look at, 4,900 area. Are we gonna flush it down? This could be another leg to the downside. Maybe give us a pullback down into, wow, man, this got some ways to go, guys. If we can hold this previous low, I think we got some ways to go here all the way back down. Could be a chance to give us the pullback down into the 4850s, right? Or 4850s. Yeah, let me just do a Fibonacci instead. There we go. Yeah, we'll use the Fibonacci. There we go. All right, so here we are, guys, man. This is the pretty important level here. We got to get above that. The gold looking pretty no good so far. So we hit a low, obviously, on NQ at 719. So let's see, guys, if we could try to hold, or we end up getting a pullback here. Let's take a look.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna try to short this.
Order filled.
I'll have a hard stop here. Well, where would the hard stop be? Yeah, I mean, the gold is not looking that great at the moment. We all took a look at gold, but the gold, where's gold? Yeah, the gold is, yeah, we gotta hold this 48.98. We gotta hold this 48.98 on the gold. I'm not sure what happens if we if the gold tanks. All right, so far we're kind of holding 8 and 1-1. I want to see if we break out of this. We may get another rejection of this level, and we end up getting a flush down. We'll see. Will the market get a little bit of a dead cat bounce? I mean, we had a chance to do that today, but all they could really do is give us 100 points bounce towards the end of the day, which wasn't significant. I mean, usually you see a little bit of a V-shaped bounce, but we didn't see any of that, right? You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know, right? Usually we would see a bit of a slingshot bounce, if you will, right? I mean, I want to do a little drawing here. Usually it would be something like you have this nasty pullback, and then you get at least a big V-shaped bounce. Usually that's what it is, right? But I mean, all we really had was this pullback and a little bounce, and it's like, you know what I mean? So it's like, it's very weak, very, very weak. This is all we had. Instead of this, usually we would like to see something like this to kind of give us that signal that we still have some buyers kind of stepping in towards the end. But nice, man. Mr. Mahidi Nix, man, you won 500 accounts. Nice. I like that, brother. Good job. Good stuff. Guys, look at that bounce on that NQ. Holy mochino. 800 area. We got a huge bounce off that level, guys. I mean, that's... you see that bounce? Oh, wow. What does that mean? That's a pretty solid bounce that we actually got from there. That's a pretty solid bounce, guys.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
I just got stopped out. Wow. Now some wild bounce. The buyers got pissed. Today was crazy day. Really? You lost 13 PAs today. Are you talking about Apex accounts? STR, so is that 13 Apex accounts? You should have put an extra 5 long to get in a long position. Yeah, I mean, who would have thought we get this kind of a bounce, guys? Holy, look at that, guys. That's a pretty solid bounce we actually got. I mean, this is definitely not a level that we'll be expecting a bounce off from, right? That's a pretty nasty one.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Do we continue getting a bounce? We got a little bit of pivot here. We got to get above 864. So yeah, pretty tough market right now. But that was a pretty solid bounce though off that 800 area. I don't know. It looks like it wants to get a bounce. All right, we'll keep an eye on this. Let's let the dust settle. We'll take a look at this market again in a few minutes. Yeah, I just took it off. I'm like, you know what? Let's just wait for this market to kind of do its thing for now. 2 accounts. I took the money out, draw down. Oh, I see. Yeah, I mean, needed one more point and it bounced. Please go back down again. Down market, but our ego was waiting for. Yeah, I mean, so yeah, if you're a counter trend trader, today was definitely not the kind of a day. Again, right? When you have this extensive move in one direction, and you're a counter trend trader, it's really hard to. I mean, you're gonna end up blowing lots of accounts if you're a counter trend trader, and if you get this kind of market, it's tough. I mean, you're gonna get into a lot of greens too. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, you're gonna have a lot of red too. Yeah, I'm fine for today. I mean, today could have been a lot worse, but I somehow managed to not take it too aggressively. Number one, I did not get into a lot of trades. Number two, and as soon as I ended up blowing my Funded Futures Network exhibition account, I took things very slow. So it was good. In that sense, it was good, right? I mean, technically, I did not just keep trading, or I did not tilt, or I wasn't mad or anything like that. I was like, you know what? Market, go ahead and do whatever you want. I'm okay. I'm okay. I don't know. It was kind of weird. You shorted the midway. You shorted the midway and lost? What do you mean you lost? The market just kept pulling back today. What do you mean they don't have $2,000 of drawdown when you get funded? It's $2,000 drawdown. That's what it is. Oh man, if you traded over, well, if you had it short overnight, that would have been nice. That would have been crazy wild for sure. Yeah, you know, I forgot to mention, I did trade ES today. And I was like, I felt good trading ES, by the way. So I'm going to be trading ES more often now going forward, especially when the market is obviously very volatile, right? So yeah, I think TPT, Take Profit Trader, is definitely a very good firm, in my opinion. It depends too. I mean, some traders don't like waiting for 5 days to pass an account. But I mean, honestly, I don't know if that really matters. But I mean, it does for some. But I think, yeah, my tier 1, definitely Take Profit Trader, Apex. And the third now is Lucid. And then we also have Tradify. I also... Today, I bought some Tradify 150k select plan because I wanted to get a little bit of a bigger drawdown. Maybe I should have gone to 50k, but I don't know. I'll give it a shot again with Tradify the 150s instead of trying to go with the 50s. Let's see what happens. Yeah. All right. So far, 843 here in the market. We're kind of stuck in that range. We'll see if we can actually get a nice little break to the upside. YM chart are looking a lot better. Let's take a look at the YM here. Is it H6? I mean, it's the same thing. I don't really see anything that's really that different. We got a big dumpster on the YM, the same thing. So, I don't know, man. And by the way, yeah, guys, hold on 1 second, guys. I want to take a look at something. Ooh, I could request another payout. Oh, that's not right. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah, I mean, with Apex, I think it's really, really important that that, you know, we kind of stick to what they call that again, that 30%. Yeah, that 30% becomes really, really important, guys. I mean, we got to really try level best to kind of respect it. I know those market conditions are very bad, and especially if you're trading silver, things are a lot worse. But I mean, try to refrain from getting over 30%, both to the upside and to the downside as well with Apex, right? Because you're gonna start to get a lot of problems. Yeah. All right, man. I mean, it's still choppy right now. Incredible mochaccino. Are we gonna start to get a bounce? I don't see any patterns. I mean, there's no real patterns that I can I don't know, it's hard. There's no patterns right now. We got a little bit of support that we're kind of looking at, right, on that 800 to 830 range. So that's, I mean, that's the level we could watch, right? So we got a support here, and I see that. But I mean, we're also getting rejection of that a small minor resistance at 850 as well. So same thing. If you just draw a little Fibonacci as well, it's kind of the same idea. right there. 61.8 Fibonacci, and you have a 38.2 as well right there. It's same thing. A supported resistance. I just want to kind of make sure that I don't have too much drawings on my chart, because it's starting to get really annoying, to be honest. The less drawings on my chart, the better. You know. Okay, so is this going to be a bull flag here? I don't know. I want to just kind of try to make sure that we kind of respect this 830, and that's going to be a little bit of a support that we're going to be looking at. So you don't take money out of listed until $3,000 of profit on it. Oh, I see what you mean. So if you, that's right. I mean, your drawdown cannot be $2,000 every time if you're taking the money out. So let's say if you have $3,000 and if you take $1,500 out of that account, because you're allowed to take 50% of that profit, you're gonna end up having $1,500 of drawdown remaining on that account. So all right, well, I'm gonna set it up right now. Yeah, I mean, we'll call out the winner. Yeah, when the giveaway, when the likes are about the same as the giveaway tickets, we'll call out the winner. Yeah, we'll call out the winner a little later, towards maybe the end of the day. Depends. Try to see, guys. I mean, please take a few seconds every time to smash a like, everybody, if you can. Yeah, we'll call out the winner when we have equally as much as the tickets we get for this giveaway. So I opened the entry, so you guys can go ahead and type in !Tiger, and at the same time, go ahead and smash the like as well if you can. If you guys want to support the stream. All right, there we go, guys. The giveaway starts now. Good luck, everybody. Let's have some fun. And I hope all of you have a great day tomorrow too, guys. Don't forget, tomorrow is the last trading day of the week as well, right? So it's gonna be a something. It's gonna be a big day. So it's gonna be a big day with what do you call this? A CPI tomorrow. So the market trying to get a little pump, guys. I mean, I think the market is celebrating. Maybe we get a little bit of a leak on the labor market. Sorry, not the labor market. Inflation report tomorrow. So do we get a little bit of a bounce? Maybe this market trying to retest. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to long. All right, as much as I like to short this market, I'm gonna try to long this. So far it's kind of choppy in the range, but
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed.
Order failed.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
all right, guys. I'll try to long on a pullback shear down. I'll try to long on a pullback shear down, guys. Yeah, I had a long day too. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so here we are getting that a little bit of indecisive candle. So
This is my
all right, so far it's pretty choppy. Nothing there at the moment, as you guys can see. Ver for why? Why is it hard when I have only $150 a day? What does that mean? I have no idea what you're talking about, brother.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Can we get a 50 points pump? Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. I mean, we're in Globex, right? So there's only so much we can kind of expect from this market today, right? And of course, every Globex session. Oh my god, what a dump pitch, man. What a nasty dump pitch here. We may be getting the 50 points that you were looking for. Who was it again? Verpo Y. 50% of trading is mindset. Yeah, I think maybe it's more than that. I mean, we all know how to trade, right? As a trader, right? Whether we have a system, whether we have an edge or not, it does matter, of course. But a lot of trading has got to do with here, right? I think so. Yeah, especially when you're trading the prop firms, right? Especially when you're trading the props. You have to stop worrying about the dollar amount and only about A1 setups. If you're a good trader, you're gonna worry about everything, but at the end of the day, you're looking for the setups, yeah. But you're still gonna think about how much you're willing to make as well. All right, so far nothing honestly there at the moment. Yeah, too much to think about. Yeah, you're right, Justin, right? Yeah. Lately I've been just not thinking about anything. You know, I just yeah, I mean, lately I did not really think too much. I do not want to complicate myself, put it that way. So, and it's been kind of working out nicely for me. You know, I mean, you end up making mistakes here and there. I mean, that's just normal, right? Especially when you only have like $2,000 drawdown, and when you get a dump pitch like that today, it's not easy. It's gonna go. I mean, your account's gotta go, whether you like it or not. But something that was definitely very important here is that one of my account, I had big profits. I had 23,000 profits on that account, and that ended up being down about $1,800. I was like, oh my god. Yeah, I kind of got a little concerned about it, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna trade it. Let me be down $2,000, that's fine, but I'm not gonna try to get it back again. And that, I think that's a good thing that I've done today. Good thing I've done. As soon as I was down $2,000, obviously give or take 2,000, actually down about 18, but I decided not to trade. So I ended up being down $2,000. I'm like, you know what, it's okay. Let's just forget about that and just look for another day. Look for another day. All right, I mean, what is this market trying to do, guys? I mean, let's take a look at the silver. You guys are taking a look at the silver. Oh wow, I mean, you know, it's other than like, let's just say you're away from this big massive pullbacks. Other than that, it always tend to bounce back and come back to you. Like gold and the silver, it's a classic example. You know what I mean? So you see, you always get a bounce. Like, it's, even if it's lower, you have this big dumpage like that, you get a big move once in a while. But really, other than that, you know, and that's, I think, the good thing about trading gold and the silver is that if you're on the right size, well, not the silver, obviously, if you're trading gold, it tend to come back to you. So let's say you enter here and then it pulls back, eventually comes back to you. And the same thing here as well. you see this thing got a big dumpage, and let's say you entered here, somewhere here, it comes back and you're back to green again. A little different with the NQ. NQ tend to give you that nasty lower high, right? That kind of takes everybody down, like the whole day, right? The whole day down without no meaningful bounce for you to be able to get out of your trade as well. So, you know, it's weird. Look at that, guys. We are getting a little bit of a pump here.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys,
Order filled.
I'm gonna add a few more
Order canceled.
with 4 contracts now, and I'll have a hard
Order
stop here
submitted.
right in the 810. Yeah, it's like a ping pong right now. Yeah, you're right. Like a ping pong. Ping ponky. So yeah, I'm in a trade. I've got 4 micro. We'll see what happens now. But what a nasty day, though. I mean, today was just absolutely nasty. A monster pullback. And you know what? We're only 2% down on the NQ, but we have a lot of individual stocks really tanked a lot more than just 2%, right? They're down. Some of them are down like 10%, 15%. Look, Apple alone was down about, let's take a look at it again. Apple down 5%, Netflix down a little less than 5%, Coinbase down 8%. What a dumpage, guys. Free fall. Snowflake back to 178. ARK holding $68. I'll be expecting to see ARK holdings kind of pull back into the 50s. I would love to see ARK holding back in the 50s. That'll be really amazing. We had a lot of big high flying tech stocks pull back quite a lot here. Square down 8%, Roblox down 8%. Oh man, we had Playboy down 15%. No more Playboy anymore. ETZ brands down 15%, 19%. Probably had an earnings or something like that. Yeah, pretty nasty, guys. I mean, let's just take a look at the Bitcoin right now. Where is standing at the Bitcoin? Bitcoin is at $66. 66,000. So I wonder, I'd like to see this thing pull back here in this zone, right? I'd like to see this thing pull back here into this area if I can. Would be nice if we do that, right? And I don't know. And then if it keeps pulling back, that would be a bit of a capitulation dumpage in the Bitcoin. If we do something like that, oh my god, yeah, that's gonna be nasty, guys. That would be like a biggest sashimi pullback ever that we could witness in a lifetime. Today's yeah, I mean, but the thing is though, I mean, today's pullback, if you're shorting today, may have been easy, but I mean, who would have ever thought that we would just constantly get a pullback here today? Nobody was kind of expecting that, right? Nobody was expecting that sort of a pullback here today. Yeah, I mean, not me. I mean, I kind of felt this market, something was smelling pretty bad here coming into today, and I kind of noticed that, but I mean, this is not, you know, look, I mean, if we all knew what this market's going to do, we would have literally, everybody's got, probably made, like, we would have probably been a millionaire now, right? On our personal live account. Oh, by the way, if you're a Canadian, you cannot open an account with Tradeovate. Isn't that something, guys? Isn't that something? Unless you're obviously a resident of Ontario. And if you're anywhere other than that, you can't. So you gotta find something else. I haven't got a response back from Ninja. I've got to open I've got to open an account. Ugh, really annoying. Yeah, you can't, guys. It's weird though. It's weird. Maybe it's the legislation. I don't know what it is. The AMPs in the States though, it's tough. Well, it's blocking me from opening. I was gonna transfer because I was gonna try to trade with 10K on my personal live account, and also trade the futures as well, but it wouldn't be able to do that, so it's kind of weird. Yeah, provincial regulation. Yeah, it's fine if you're Ontario, guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure a bulk of the traders here in Canada probably from Ontario, right? Other than just a very few, including myself, from the West. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Move from Canada to Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico? Why would I want to go to Puerto Rico, man? But it's just really I don't know what word to use. Is it ridiculous or I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know the word to use. How incredibly messed up it is, right? It's just so annoying, the fact that like it's making us look like we're from somewhere else, far away from Canada. You know, like what the heck is going on here? Maybe I should move to Houston. Oh, what a weird price action, man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm down $400. Move to Minnesota. Yo. Are you joking or what? And the tax is very high too. Holy mochaccino, guys, man. Hold on, guys. Hold on, everybody. We got some Houston. We got some problem here. I don't even know how to trade this bad boy, to be honest. What the heck is that, guys? I mean, it really kind of shows you how vulnerable the market is right now, right? Oh, so we had somebody asking, please stop the market, please stop. And we finally got it, guys. I mean, if you guys are showing the market, kudos to you. Forced liquidation. Yeah, there we go. Oh, my mochaccino. Globex, man. I mean, Globex moving 60 points now in one shot there. Is somebody manipulating the market now? Is that you guys doing that? What is it? Now, if you try to short this market, obviously gonna get a bounce. Like, it's hard to trade this bad boy. Maybe try to hold on. All right, I'm gonna try to long here, guys. I'll put a hard stop here. Put a very tight stop on this bad boy, and right at 770. That's about 30 points range. I'm gonna give myself a 30%. Qatar under attack? No. Are you sure? Really? Hold on one second, guys. I gotta take a look. This is gonna be very important. Qatar under attack? I don't think so. No, we don't have any news. What kind of a poll you guys want? What kind of a poll? man.
Order filled.
Order
Alright guys,
filled.
I'm gonna add a few more.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Alright
submitted.
guys, I'm down to 6
Order.
now.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, let's try to see if we get a little bit of a sashimi bounce. You get that you're trying to catch the bounce, but shorts are in their favor right now. Shorts and bulls both make money. It's okay. All right, let's see if we get a little bounce, or do we end up getting a pullback here? I've got a hard stop, so one second. Oh my god.
Order filled.
I exited that trade. Yeah, it looks pretty bad, by the way, guys. We looks like we're gonna keep going here. It's not looking that great, so I'm gonna be looking for that little bounce and try to short this market again. Wow, man, what a nasty pullback here. I mean, let's look at the gold. Gold is, I mean, you get a wider range in the gold, but at least it try to come back to you, right? Come back and trigger your TP. I don't know. What a wild moves in the NQ, guys. It's really tough. Tough to trade the NQ. All right, I'm gonna try to short the pop. Let's try to see if we get a little bounce back. 788, 790. Yeah, I know, man. This price, actually, here what we're getting right now, it's not looking that great, guys. I mean, just be careful because they're trading this. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this market do its thing, man. It's pretty annoying price action we're getting right now. Wow, look at that bounce. We hit 744. I got a bounce at what a perfect spot to get a bounce. Incredible. I mean, it almost kind of looks like we want to retest probably 8, 10 at this point. And we got 20 more minutes to go for Tokyo.
Order
Order
failed.
filled.
Order submitted. Order failed.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, pretty ugly looking price action so far. There's just nothing there at the moment. Yeah, I would be surprised if we get a 100 points bounce right here. Pretty wild. All right, guys, 14 more minutes for Tokyo. 14 more minutes, guys, Tokyo.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order filled.
Filled. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ah, that did not get filled. Fucking annoying. Yeah, it did not get filled, unfortunately. So I'm kind of sitting on the sideline right now. Oh, not a bad bounce, guys. I mean, not a bad bounce. No, we got this level we got to kind of try to get above. I mean, keep in mind, guys, I mean, tomorrow's the big day. We got CPI tomorrow, so tomorrow's the kind of a day that, yeah, probably try to save some energy to trade tomorrow, because tomorrow's definitely gonna be a big one, right? Probably the biggest catalyst. Yeah, what a nice little bounce, guys, man. All that dumpage that we got, I literally just got bought. I mean, it's just so freaking wild. Oh my god. Super Mario in the house, man. What up, brother? Well, yeah, man, that did not get filled. This is the problem sometimes when you try to place a limit order. This is what happens, right? Sometimes, I mean, yeah. What a strong bounce that we got, man. Incredible. Now it's literally a 16 points pullback right from that EMA, and we got a V-shaped bounce. We're trying to get above, this pivot now. Try to see, guys, I mean, how this is gonna play out. Look at the gold, guys. Look, gold is kind of like choppy in the range. Gold is definitely a lot choppier right now versus the gold, well, versus the NQ. In NQ, look at that. We got a nice, beautiful bullish hammer, kind of playing out. We're gonna have to wait to see. Yeah, this candle closed in about 11 more minutes, but so far looking pretty bullish, right? So that's there, and then let's take a look from here as well. We're trying to get above the pivot too. This is a tough one. We got a big fat rejection of the 850. Not a coincidence, right? I mean, we got a big pivot here. We got to get above, and we're kind of still within that. Obviously, the previous candle within that range. So yeah, I was a little too early. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how to play tomorrow's CPI. I may not even be a part of that, to be honest. I mean, I would rather just kind of try to trade after the fact that the CPI is over and done. You know what I mean? Unless you got a whole bunch of evals that you want to try to pass, and that's a different conversation. But I would rather, for me though, I would just rather kind of try to trade maybe the midday when the market's kind of slower, if you will, because trying to trade the CPI tomorrow, unless, like, I mean, CPI is really for traders really wanting to, I don't know, maybe try to pass like 10, 15 evals, one, like all at the same time. That would be that would be the only reason why you would be trading the CPI, right? Apex is 1 day to pass, and then if you do Tradify growth challenge, Oh, do we still have the growth challenge, by the way, on Tradeovate? Sorry, Tradify, or did they actually get rid of that? I don't even know, because I haven't, man, in Tradify I haven't bought accounts with these guys other than the few accounts that I bought today. Let me take a look and see if they got the growth challenge still. Oh yeah, they have growth challenge. So the growth challenge on Tradify, you can do 1 day to pass, right? 1 day to pass on their growth challenge. It's 1 day to pass on Tradify growth challenge. That's the cheapest account that they have, right? Versus the other accounts. Oh man, this market is already pumped. 50 points. Come on, market. Guys, try to show some love. Smash the like, everybody, if you can. And let's take a look and see how much tickets we got. We got almost 200 tickets. And we only have 140 likes. With about 590 viewers. Yeah, keep in mind, guys, it doesn't cost you. It doesn't cost $1. Oh my god, man. It's going. StockTiger. It's okay. Let it be. Let it go. Let it go. Hey, just go. That's fine. Just keep going. That's fine. No problem. No problem. No bueno. No pasa nada, everybody. Let's just let it go. Let it go. Let's try to have some fun here. You had negative? What does that mean? Negative 1K today on the funded stage. Was up 25. Oh yeah. Trace on, man. Thanks for sharing that information. You were down $1,000 today after being up 25. Yeah. The same thing with me. I've got one funded account. I had $23,000, and it's a lot of profit. $23,000 of profit. I ended up losing $2,000 after still making about. I was up $400, and I could have maybe ended up stop. Well, I could have maybe not traded that account anymore, but I ended up trading, and I ended up losing another $1,900, give or take. So I ended up being about 21,000 in profits. So I lost $2,000 pretty much, give or take, which isn't fun, but you know, with the kind of a volatility that we had today, you know, I didn't feel as bad, to be honest. So yeah, today's dumpage was unreal, man. That was a pretty aggressive dumpage. Holy mochina, look at that, guys. One bar, each bar was literally take a look, guys. 250 points bar. Yeah, 250 points bar, guys, on each one. There's no way in the world you're gonna try to find the bottom here. When you're looking at this candle right now, you're like, oh, okay, there's no way in the world I'm gonna be able to step in on a trade to try to go long. And when you have this big fat red bar looking like this, that's 250 points bar. That's incredible. Yeah, I mean, yeah, seriously, I mean, this price action that we had today right now, really annoying. And honestly, it's just based on what we saw today, expectation is we get a little bit of a push down, but then of course we kind of held. It's weird. Yes, so Apex 80% off right now. It's 1 day to pass. Using a humble code, a Tiger, TIGER, if you guys want to support the stream. Yes, you guys can go ahead and use obviously my code, TIGER. And you also have Yolonov's 1 day to pass as well. And then you also have what else? Lucid, depends on what you pick, right? Lucid, if you pick the pro account, then this 1 day to pass as well, including Tradify growth challenge 1 day to pass as well. So we got a lot of firms 1 day to pass. Now the thing is, are you gonna be able to catch the right move for tomorrow morning? But keep in mind, Tradify and the Lucid accounts are a bit pricey. Like, to pay everything up front and to play the CPI, that's I think that's a lot of risk. Yeah, me personally, I would never do that. No. I've never done it, you know. I are like probably I don't know, probably 1% of the time I would have maybe traded CPI, or including everything else. I don't normally do that, to be honest. I know a lot of good traders, including obviously a lot of traders here too, do a lot of YOLO, like, you know, 20 accounts, copy trade in CPI, boom. But I don't do as much. I did in the past, but not as much though anymore. I'm like, you know what? That's too stressful. Too stressful. Well, maybe I guess not. And yeah, so here we go. 1 second, I want to take a look and see. And we'll always love you. All right, guys, where's the NQ heading into today? We got half and half, guys. We got 200 votes. It's 50-50 at this point, so yeah, definitely very confusing, right? Well, if you get $20,000 payout, you're gonna gamble one day. I mean, I don't know. When you take 20,000, you're gonna be now, okay, well, I need 40K, and the next thing you know, you're like, oh, no, I need 60K, and the next thing you know, oh, okay, well, let's target 100K. All right, guys, what are we gonna try to do here? Are we gonna try to hit a double top here? Double top here, guys. Is that what it is? It looks pretty good though, guys. Man, this candle here, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty bullish, right? I don't want to mess with this. I don't want to be shorting this market now in front of this bullish candle. Bullish candle here we have. Obviously we have 1 more minute, guys, for this candle to close, but it looks pretty bullish, right? So I want to wait and see. We got Tokyo in about 40 seconds, guys, by the way. YOLO, 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 YOLO. Oh, there we go, guys. It closed. And by the way, I think my time is off. My time is off. I don't know why, but a little bit of a pullback here, guys. Now this is going to be a bounce or what now? Oh my god, I hate this sometimes.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
StockTiger is back again. All right, I went short here, but yeah, this is gonna get a bounce. Tell you that much. Oh, this would have been a fuck, man. What the hell is going on here?
Order filled.
Orders.
All right, I'm gonna have a
order
hard
canceled.
stop. About 860, 857 area. Yeah, this looks bullish, man. Yeah, I'm gonna exit right here. Yeah, I think I screwed
Order
up.
filled.
Yeah, it's a weird price action. Holy mochaccino. So hard to trade Globex. Look at that, guys, man. Look at that bounce that we are getting right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I went long. We'll see. We'll give it a try. If it doesn't work, that's fine. I mean, we at least give it a try. I'm looking for that momentum push, but if we end up chopping here, that's not gonna be fun. Yeah, I'll have a hard stop. Yeah, I've got a hard stop here, 836. How much drawdown? I got 5,000 drawdown. Yeah, this is one account that I've been down, up a lot over the span of about a week. So down a couple thousand, up a couple thousand. I'm like, oh my god, man! Once and for all, let's just finish it off. Yeah, I don't know, man. This we got a solid bounce, by the way. So I'm like, do we have a chance here, guys? Do we have a chance? We're trying to get above, guys. 856 is gonna be very important. We are right at that level now. Right at the level, yeah, 856. If we can't get above this. Yeah, I mean, let this market do it. Gotta be kidding, bro.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'll exit that
Order
trade. I gotta
filled.
go to the washroom. I'll be right back, guys. 1 minute. The market looking pretty solid, by the way.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try to short on a pop here, guys. We'll see, get a little pop here. Holy mochaccino. Do we get something like this today? Do you guys think? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. Oh. Like, do you think we get something like that? Is this what we're trying to look for today? And try to get back into the 25. Are we gonna try to bounce back into 25,000? Is that what it is? Is this what this market's trying to do? Yeah, guys. I mean, what do you guys see? I mean, is this market trying to get a bounce into? Obviously, first thing first, we're gonna get above 24.9. But I mean, are we trying to get a bounce back into 25? Is that ultimately what it's trying to do? And then maybe by the time we get to tomorrow morning, we're kind of waiting for the CPI. And with the good CPI, we may try to get a bounce back again. And then it's like whatever happened today, it's like it's a wash. So any code knife, the code for trade day, you can use Tiger, TIGER, for code for trade day, and pretty much for all the firms. You know, you also have firms like, what do you call this again? I forgot the name of the firm. I don't use that firm myself, so is it oh my god, what was that firm? I forgot the name of the firm. Something Futures. Is it Aqua Futures? I'm not sure. All right, so are we going to get a pullback here now, or are we going to try to get it? Man, this definitely gave us a lot of flushy. It kind of shaked a lot of traders, including myself. I wasn't expecting this market to be this volatile, right? So yeah, Alpha Futures, yeah. I mean, for Alpha Futures too, you guys can use code Tiger as well if you guys want to support the stream. And of course, I thank you guys for doing that as always. And the market trying to get a bounce. Monica, what do you think? Look at the gold. Oh my god, guys, I'm down. Okay, let me just exit this trade. I'm down on this and I'm down on the other one. Holy mochaccino, what a great red day. What was I supposed to look at? The gold? Let's take a look at the gold here for a sec. Holy mochaccino. Man, this the gold is getting a bounce like that. Yeah, it's anybody trading gold right now?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, on the right hand side, that's the gold chart, and the left hand side is obviously the NQ. And I'm going to be looking for that little pullback here on NQ so I can actually hop on a long. Ah, man. Yeah, I've got to be a lot more patient, especially coming into the Globex, right? I mean, the problem is I just got to kind of when you trade the Globex, it's gonna be a lot slower, right? And you're kind of expecting the similar kind of a pattern, the speed of the candles they move, just like the way it moves in the morning. That's when, you know, things starts to become a problem. You know, I'm trying to trade not aqua futures. I keep saying aqua futures, but alpha futures, right? I'm trying to trade alpha futures. I'm just kind of waiting for their offer though, right? I don't have their offer right now, not as good. So I'm just trading with firms with the best offers that we have in this profit space. And obviously we have Tradify is probably the one of the better ones with the 150k accounts. And you also have listed 40% off on the Vault promo. That kind of gives you to load in a 50k account with a little less than, I think, $94. I think 91 or 94. And then you got Apex, of course, 90%, oh sorry, 80% off. And that gives you an eval for about 38. And then the activation goes about 75, a little less than $100 all in. So you also have Billinox too. The only problem with the Billinox is they don't offer you the Tradivate platform. They only offer you the Rhythmic, right? So that's something you got to be keep in mind. The Alpha is running what again? Alpha is running yeah, so the Alpha at 20% off, it's you know, it's a bit pricey. Now it started to really slow down this market, guys, after taking my peso. Now it's kind of slowed down, and then guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna make this big wild move, take everybody out, and slows down again. What do you guys think is the reason why why is TopStep coming up with the 30% off right now? Is there a reason? I'm not sure. Oh my god, look at that gold, guys, man. The gold is moving pretty nicely here, back at 49.65. They're going under. Yeah, the only thing that concerns me about a TopStep is that you know, I'm hearing a lot from fellow traders saying they're gonna try to move you to live like immediately or something like. No, well, not immediately, but I mean very quickly.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, man, my order got chilled. My order got filled, guys. My order got filled. The biggest mochaccino just got filled. I hope this isn't gonna be a sashimi pullback here. Uh-oh. Well, immediately down about $200. Fuck me, man. If this is gonna be another pullback all the way back down, I'm gonna get extremely mad.
Order
All right, guys. So let's
canceled.
just keep it one contract, man. Holy mochaccino. See, I'm giving myself a lot of room here, guys, man. 795. I'm being very lenient, being very kind to the market. 795. That's literally giving 40 points gap. Trailing your stop gold. Oh, really? You guys trading gold right now? Is everybody trading gold? Yep, you move to live quickly and then limit you to 20% of the balance you have. What? I don't know. I'll just trade with what I have on a top step and just kind of wait and see, right? There's too much of noise. I wanna stay out of. I'll stay away from for now. Oh, A and B, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, technically if you want to just stay away from all the trouble and noise and all that, I guess maybe Lucid is probably the way to go, right? Nobody has any problems with Lucid. That's the only, maybe one of the very few firm that has no issues with Lucid right now, at least. I mean, I love trading Take Profit Trader, I love trading Lucid, I love trading Apex, you know, and everything else like Tradify as well. And who else is there? Fund the Futures Network now as well. I'm trading, but I don't know. But we got there's some of the firms we got. We are getting too much of noise, so maybe better off just kind of try to stay away from. I think trade day is fine. I just oh God, man, I never get a chance to trade a trade day, but trade day is no problem, guys. I mean, trade day, you have to trade for 5 days. It's literally the same thing as Take Profit Trader, in my opinion. It's just that Take Profit Trader obviously is a solid firm. Trade day, I think once you get to $5,000 a payout, they start to move you to live also pretty quickly as well. So that's the only catch. Trade day, they move you to live pretty quickly. And Fund the Futures Network also, I think at about $5,000 of payout, I think they move you to live. Yeah, Take Profit Trader it's the GOAT in my opinion. Yeah, man, definitely the GOAT. Yeah, I never got a chance to trade their Pro Plus. I would love to, but I mean, never really got a chance to do that because obviously I'm not from Ontario. Very obvious. Anybody here from BC and the West? We're on the same page. مسخرة يعني والله العظيم. انت عارف كيف؟ ملهاج. والله مشكلة مهاج. Oh my god, guys. Hey guys, man, show some love, man. Come on, yo. Come on, what are you guys doing, yo? About 700 viewers now. And 180 likes. ये क्या हो गया यार? क्या हो गया? ये बकवास है ना? मैं मालूम नहीं है क्या हो गया यार. Anyways, guys, show some love. Really appreciate it, guys. I was just kidding, by the way. 44 Punisher in the house, man. What up, man? Elias, Dean. guys, I have no idea what this market is trying to do, man. You know, we'll let this market do its dumb thing. You know what I mean? Let's try to have some fun. Why not, right? Yeah, I've got. Whoa, man. Maybe it's gonna. Oh, wow. Look at the dumpage, guys. Holy mochaccino. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow, incredible. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I have way too much drawdown. That's fine. I've got $5,000 of drawdown, so that's no problemo on my side. Oh, I may get stopped out on this. I may try to add one more, but I may get stopped out on this bad boy. I'm gonna have a 2 hard stop here.
Order submit. Order canceled.
I'm gonna have my hard stop here, right here. Yeah. Yeah, what a dirty price action is this, guys, man. This is not even funny anymore. As much as I want to give my smile in my face, I'm like, what the hell are you trying to do here? Oh my god, incredible. Incredible mochaccino. This is just gonna flush down and then just maybe get a bounce back again. I think that's what I try to do. Where should I have my hard stop here? Maybe down. This is gonna flush pretty hard. Fuck me, man. See, guys, we'll wait, patiently wait, guys. I mean, so far, I mean, we haven't broken the trend, right? The trend is probably at least for now to the upside, unless we break the structure here, right? It's got to be down. We got to break it underneath 780 to be a lot more bearish in this. But anyways, guys, do I want to risk that much? 800. That will be $800, $1,200 if I place my stop here at 785. I'll be risking about $1,400 in this. Oh,
Order
fuck,
filled.
my god, man. I just kind of exited that trade. Holy shit, man. Look at this. Yeah, guys, man, I don't think this is a good idea to trade this price action right now. It's just what the I'll try to go long with one again.
Order submitted.
Yeah, what a wide range. That's like 130 points range, by the way. Hold on. Yeah, I don't think I can be any more than one. So we'll try to use one. And what a nasty price action, guys. Oh my god. This is worse than New York. We had a way better, cleaner move. Oh yeah, it's not looking that great. Miss L put the chart upside down. Yeah, on a 1 hour chart, it looks pretty bearish. I mean, that was the same thing here, though, right? Same thing here. Same thing here. What difference does it make now? You know what I mean? The only thing is that we got a big fat rejection of this level 860 area. That's a big rejection of this level, right? That's the only thing that kind of makes me feel like sellers are constantly, the buyers are getting denied at this level pretty aggressively. We'll see. Yeah, I'm long right now. Well, we could just see a dump pitch any moment, so I don't know. Oh my god. Incredible. Yeah, I don't know if you're holding this. Of course, overall a bearish day, right? So that continues into today. Maybe we're just getting a little bit of a day cap bounce, but overall the structure hasn't changed. And right now, I mean, on a 1 hour chart, it almost kind of looks like it's kind of getting ready for another leg to the downside pretty aggressively here, right? So, but I mean, man, I hate when you get this bounce like that, though. What a nasty bounce that we got here. Incredible. All right, guys, I'll exit that trade.
Order filled.
I just don't like the way it's kind of holding, pretty weak. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, it's not even volatile. It's the price is just doing what it wants to do. Pretty bad looking candle here. Bear Palm, what is going on, man? What is going on? Black Mamba. Welcome, guys, welcome. Down quite a lot. Just got to find a way to just curl it back again. Pretty slow price action. Oh, let's take a look at the gold. The gold is looking way better. Look how dirty the NQ played, guys. Holy man, look at this. Look at this chart on the NQ on the left hand side, and look at the gold on the right hand side. Look how clean it is. Well, will the gold try to get above 49.70? You got some levels we want to kind of watch. This is a resistance area, and that's where the liquidity is. So we'll see. We try to get there, and then I think we've got a little bit more room to the upside on the gold, in my opinion. The NQ overall looking just pretty bearish, right? The thing is though, it looks bearish, but then we could also get a bounce, and the bounce could be pretty fast as well. So really annoying so far. I'm gonna have to take a little slow. Mostly gold is dumping. I don't wanna wait. Yeah, getting old. I gotta do a lot of stretching, by the way. A lot of stretching. Oh, turning 18 in a month from today, so well. So in the last 2 weeks, the funny thing that I've noticed is that I did not lose much, but I also did not make much. So it's like status quo, and that's where the problem is, right? From a payout standpoint, it's like you got to make something to get payouts, right? That's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, I've got to start thinking about. Yes, I mean, I keep saying, yeah, be patient and all that, but I mean, it's at the end of the day, we're looking for payouts, and yeah, not losing much, but not making much either. So it's kind of, not sure what's going on. Yeah, I mean, this NQ price action right now is really silly. There's really no point in there's no point in trying to be too serious about this price action right here. NQ bounce. NQ has to finish the job. Well, it's pretty bad right now. Pretty bad. No, I mean, not just night though. I mean, in the mornings too, right? In the mornings too. I mean, it sounds easy to say, okay, well, I should have got into trade, right? For this. I don't know if you guys heard me say on Discord, but a friend of mine lost about 35,000 right now. So he's underwater right now, trading on his live account, right? Down about $35,000. But and that's because I think he went long at 225, 200 area, and he was looking for a bounce from here. From here, he was looking for a bounce, but he was looking for something like that. And instead, it went all the way back down, and that went pretty quickly, by the way. Did not really give a lot of traders a chance to kind of try to play this trade. So that's where it is, you know, like, I mean, on hindsight, you know, it's kind of easy to say, well, I could have went short today, all day, but it's not easy, guys. I mean, that's what that's what trading is, right? And you're not trading for 2 weeks. You gotta be trading for, you gotta be consistent trader for many months over the years, right? And I'm not gonna try to I don't know. So anyways, he's down about 35 right now, and it's not looking good, you know. And I think he held it overnight, by the way. I think he's still holding, in my opinion. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think he's still in a position. Maybe downside because he had about 5 to 7 NQ contracts. So he may be down to like 2 mini contracts now, so it's a lot better. But I mean, still down about 35k. That's not easy. So yeah, I mean, it sounds easy, but it's not, right? I mean, he's a good trader himself, to be honest, man. He's a good trader. He's been trading for many years. But you know, you're gonna be down certain days, and today was a good example. I don't know. This price action that I got here during the Globex, I like, what kind of a price action is this, guys? Incredible. Like, this is just a garbage, absolute garbage. Yeah, it's horrible. Anyways, guys, be careful you guys are trading. You know, it's not an easy time to be, well, it's, you could also be making a lot of money, by the way, don't get me wrong, but I mean, it's not easy. Not easy. You know, you have 4 candles, and each of these candles are 250 points candle. That's a pretty huge. How much did we dump today? From 25,400 all the way back down to 24, I would say 700. So that's do the math. That's about 700 points, maybe 700 points. I think it's 750 points. Yeah, and yeah, it did not even give us a little bounce at all. So yeah. Tough times. Trading is not easy, and you must be very careful. Yeah, so he still has I think he has about 2 mini contracts still he's holding. Look, US said DT is gonna give Iran about 30 days or something like that to negotiate, right? So we still have like 30 days to go from here. The war is not imminent. It's he's got, I don't know, like Iran has 30 days or something like that, and I think that's what it's trying to do. He wants to negotiate, in my opinion, but I mean, So he's given 30 days. We'll see how things go in that region. And the market's trying to pull back here. I mean, my chance, I guess it's done. I mean, I had my chance. I did not capitalize on my chance. I mean, the market was just weird into this Globex. I mean, this kind of a dumpage. I mean, I wasn't expecting this. And that's a pretty that's how many points a dump? This is 100 points pullback, 100 points bounce, man. Globex Asia is pretty incredible. Guys, 1 second. I'm just gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back. Aisha, Aisha, écoutez-moi. Aisha, Aisha. Oh my god, look at this market dumpage, guys. Yeah, so for me, I've got to be, of course, well, not I got to be, but I'm a lot more careful right now. I mean, not right now, I mean, not today, but I mean, generally speaking, the last couple of weeks, I've been, hold on 1 second, guys.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I tried a long here, guys. We'll see. I'm a lot more careful lately, but because I've been so careful, I mean, I've also not gotten into a lot of payouts. That's another problem too. So it's like, you want to be very conservative, that's cool, it's all great, but the thing is, not much payouts. That's another problem I'm going through right now. So I don't know, no bueno. Yeah, I just gotta figure something out. We will, you know, we'll find a way to get something going. For now, it's not looking that great at the moment. Yeah, I've got a hard stop here. Yeah, I've got a hard stop here at 728. That's the swing low here, down. So I'm gonna be looking for that little bounce, guys. Maybe back into 780, I guess. We'll see. 오늘은 헤맸어요. 엄청. 이게 특별히 파괴된 건 없었는데 오늘 하루 Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna get stopped out again. It's just gonna keep going down. Is that what it is? It looks like it wants to sell
Order
off, guys. I
filled.
gotta stop
Filled.
that right there. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my god. Well, let's try to see.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, this is a big level here, guys. 700 area, right? So
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
all right, the bottom of this candle, that's where my stop is gonna be. I've got 8 contracts. Put a very tight stop. See how this thing plays out. I've got $4,000 of drawdown. Lots of disputes. Short the market, long the market. Oh my god, I'm gonna get stopped out on this.
Order filled.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, it just looks
Order
pretty
filled.
bearish, right? So
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
fuck, man.
Order submitted. Order
It kept
submitted.
stopping me out and getting a bounce.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. Again, the same stop right at the bottom end of this candle. Yeah, the market looks horrible, guys. Horrible. Yeah, I'm just trading because I still have lots of drawdown on this. Let's see, but not looking that good at the moment. Unless you get a little bit of dead cat bounce right now.
Order filled.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Yeah, this is nuking everything out, so. Yeah, looks like maybe there's a little bit of leak. CPI. Holy. It's breaking down.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Stop filled.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Stop filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right. Let's see. I mean, yeah, this is gonna be my last trade. If it ends up flushing, I'll just shut it down. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, I've got 8 contracts here. Let me just try to move that down, maybe. Yeah, shit. Yeah, let's have my stop here. 715. 715 is where my stop is. If I can stop that, that's fine. We'll exit this trade. We'll just walk away. One last try. This is the big significant level here at 700, right? So, and that's why I'm kind of going. Can we not get a bounce? I mean, are we serious or not? Like, this is a pretty significant level, 700 here. So,
Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, I'm moving my stop to break even now.
Order canceled.
We'll see. I mean,
Order
this could just
submitted.
flush down for all you know. So, Yeah, my stop at the break even, so that's fine now. Feels better. Yeah, we could end up getting a pullback too for, you know, a pretty weak looking market, right? If you just take a look from a 1 hour candle, yeah, this candle just looks horrible. But that doesn't mean that we can't get a bounce, right? Maybe try to look for a little bounce back into, I would say, man, 760 area, somewhere here, 760, and then see what happens from there. We could try to get a bounce back into the VWAP if we get a bounce and try to get to 760. But if we end up getting, well, if we end up getting a pullback here, that's fine. My stop at the break even now, so I wouldn't be surprised if I get stopped out either. I don't know if this is, I don't know, honestly, I don't know if this is gonna be a bounce, a sustainable bounce, if you will. Oh my god, we got China 1 more minute too. We got 2 more minutes, China. Well, is China going to come in to save the day? We'll find out, guys. I'm gonna have to make some phone calls here. All right. Hey, I'm long right now. My entry at 721, right? So can you try to move the market? Right, and let's just try to yeah, just try to go along with, like, I don't know, 1,000 contracts maybe. Try to move this market. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it, brother. Okay, we'll see you guys later. One sec, guys. I'm getting a call again. Oh, did you load in with 1,000 contracts? All right, that's good, man. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, just try to push it more. Like, let's try to get back into the VWAP. There we go. Okay, thanks, man. Bye.
Order
filled.
Order cancelled.
I told you not to sell. I told you not to sell that. God damn it. Well, they thought I was saying sell. Damn. Now we're gonna dump this market. Now we have a little problem. A little problem. You got me, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. Somebody add some shares. Damn it. Somebody add some contracts, please. All right, guys, man. We're just trying to have some fun today. I mean, Globex. What do you kind of expect this? So let's take a look and see if we got some news coming out right now. So we got Japan. Japan may scope to raise interest rate this year. Uh-oh. And Japan is trying to increase the interest rate. Nippon is trying to increase the rate. Natural rate of unemployment is likely to be at 4%, according to the Fed speaker in the US. All right, I got 4 contracts here. How do you say 100 lots in Mandarin? I have no idea, bro. You gotta ask Xi Jinping. Jolie Ya Bao Shao. I think that's what it is. If I got a little problem with the pronunciation there, but so the Shanghai's already open, guys, 2.5 minutes ago, and Tokyo about an hour ago. Somebody keeps talking about Tokyo, but Tokyo's already open an hour ago. Tokyo's already gone. It's like past. You know, we're moving on to Shanghai now. And what next after Shanghai? What next? Who else do we have? Could be yeah, do we get a dump picture? I don't know, man. We could. But I mean, we could also get a bounce at least back into the VWAP. So let's try to see. I mean, honestly, I'm already down so much, right, on this account. At the end of the day, it's, I don't know. I mean, $300 is just not worth trying to take any profits right here at this level for me, at least for me. Let's say if you're a lot more aggressive right now, if you entered a trade at 730-ish area, and you've got like a couple mini contracts, you really have to, obviously, if it's me, I'm gonna take bulk of my profits off right here, right now, and leave one more as a runner. That's what I'm gonna do. But for me though, right now, I'm already down so much, and this is only about $300 of profits, so there's really no point in trying to take any profits off the table. I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a risk. If it ends up dumping here down, then it's gonna trigger my stop, and I'll be like back to break even. Right? I mean, there's really no point in me trying to take any profits right at this level. But I will take a sum off as we try to get to the VWAP and maybe above that level. So see what happens now. This could be the double bottom. So I mean, I was taking a look, obviously, and I was saying the 700 area, it's a tough level to break, right? That's a tough level. Like right at the first 10, it's I mean, kind of expected to see a little bit of a bounce, and I said, okay, well, I want to find us a good entry, and that's why I kept trying to get in and getting in, and it kept stopping me out, but stopping me out right at the break even, right? And so I re-entered again very quickly, and we found a nice little spot there to enter at 725. Unfortunately, it's not a huge contract size, right? But I mean, at least I'm gonna be happy with a trade that I took, right? More so than the PNL, because on PNL I'm already down a lot, so kind of sucks, but it is what it is, unfortunately. All right, guys, I'm gonna be down to 3 contracts.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
Down to 3
Order
contracts,
submitted.
guys. We'll hold the rest. Now we'll hold the rest. I'm gonna keep holding, guys. Look at this bounce, man. This is just so funny. 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 Yeah, I trailed my stop to 761. I think, yeah, 761. I trailed my stop. We'll see if we can actually hold this, guys. We're hitting the pivot again at 800 area, so that's gonna be a bit of a tough level. That's gonna be a little bit of a tough level, man. I want to go a little more aggressively, but you know, we'll try to be a little more aggressive like during the day, but not at this time of the day, to be honest. It's wow, look at that bounce, guys, man. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna add anything, you know. We'll just let it be. I mean, if I can make another $500 off this trade, I'll be happy. We'll try to get it back, the rest, tomorrow. Just one second, guys. I'm getting a phone call right now. Hey, how's it going? Oh yeah. I spoke with Premier. Yeah, is Xi Jinping in the house, or oh, he's not there right now? Okay, well that's fine. Yeah, he's fine. He's okay to sell it off now. Yeah, he's got a couple more pieces. Yeah, I wouldn't mind him selling it now. It's done now. I'm gonna take it off as well. I've trailed my stop here into the 7080s, so yeah, he can just take it off right now. That's fine. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Can't wait to have some dumplings here. Yeah, let's go, baby. All right, see you later. Bye. Yeah, I mean, at this trade right now, it doesn't really matter if it pulls back into my entry. It doesn't really matter. I'm already down a lot, right? So it'll be nice. Yeah, I already spoke. Yeah, we already spoke. He's gonna take it off pretty soon here. He said he's gonna take his final take profit right at the 840. Maybe I have to make some more phone calls more often, I think. Oh. It keeps going. I don't think he's taking his profits just yet. He's been greedy. All right, it still keeps going. It still keeps going. Gold is breaking out too? Really? Oh my. Incredible, guys. Wow, look at the gold. Gold, yeah, I mean, the gold breakout is obviously looks a lot better than NQ. It was kind of moving. It's really bullish, guys, in the gold. Wow, look at that bounce on the gold, guys. Holy mochaccino. This is unreal. Wow, it keeps going, guys. It doesn't look like we want to get a nice little pullback here on the gold. And by the way, the gold on a 5-minute chart. Wow, look at the gold. Wow. Gold, man, it's moving. And by the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Now we got pretty close to 400 tickets for the giveaway. About 400 tickets. We got some ways to go. Yeah, maybe Knicks. It's February is your worst month. Hey man, it's okay. You'll always come back. Just take it slow. You know, take one step at a time. Yeah, I think this could be my slowest month too. You keep blowing your evals, I mean, I'm assuming you're trying to pass your evals in a day or something like that. Try to take your time to try to pass your evals, you know. It doesn't necessarily have to be in a day, right? Like, what's the point in trying to get to a funded stage in a day? Like, what's really the point? You're gonna end up blowing your funded account anyways, right? So just take your time, treat your evals. If you're a struggling trader, if you're fairly new to this PROPFIRM space, just, if it's me, I'm gonna take it slow, right? I'm gonna treat the eval accounts like it's a funded account, and try to prove yourself that you can pass your evals a little more consistently, you know. And once you get to the funded stage, you are going to get rewarded, you know what I mean? So just take it slow, take your time. I think, you know, that's all I can say for now. And yeah, I think that's, when I'm having a tough time, I try to scale back, right? And that's exactly what I've done the last couple of weeks. All right, guys, are we gonna get a pullback here on the NQ, or do we get a bounce? Yeah, what a nice little trade, to be honest. I like that. You're at 10 resets for so far in the last 2 weeks. So again, it really depends, right? What 10 resets are you talking about? Are you talking about 10 resets on Tradify or Lucid? You know, a lot more expensive accounts, or are we talking about, you know, the cheapo accounts, like $18 accounts or something like that? Oh, $80 Lucid? Okay, I see, yeah. Wow, look at the gold, guys, moving. Yeah, just try to scale down, just take it easy, you know what I mean? If you're having a tough time, I mean, obviously you're already having a tough time. The more you trade, it's only gonna get worse, in my opinion, right? So yeah, I mean, this market's having a little bit of a tough time trying to push higher. So yeah, I think just slow down and downsize your position, and don't trade silver, right? I think if you can do this 3 things, I think in my opinion you're already up there, right? You've already fixed 50% of your problem, in my opinion. I mean, not trading silver kind of fixed probably 60-70% of my problem. And slowing down is not a problem. The only problem with slowing down and taking it really slow is that there will be a delay on your payouts, right? That's the only catch. So I'm starting to notice that, but at least you have your account still there, you know what I mean? I would rather well, I don't know. All right, guys, nice little push here, 900 area. Yeah, you're gonna have moments where you're gonna start to do really well, right? Maybe you're struggling now, but maybe 3-4 weeks down the road, it's gonna be a different conversation. And so when you're kind of ready, are you gonna have a lot of accounts to kind of trade? Accounts meaning, are you gonna have a lot of your funded accounts still there? You know what I mean? And that's why I'm saying better to kind of scale down and slow down and try to fix those easy problems to fix, right? Let's say if you're trading silver, if you've been nuking a lot of your accounts because you've been trading silver, then you really have to stop trading silver, right? and that fixes half your problems. And so if you really slow down, maybe 4 weeks down the road, you're a lot better trader now in 4 weeks, and yet you still have lots of your accounts to trade with, right? So you spend a lot less and you still have lots of funded accounts, and you are a better trader of 4 weeks after, then you're in a good spot for bigger payouts. All right, guys. You feel like Christmas they've changed something? Yeah. Yeah, it's tough market. I mean, it's tough market. I mean, think about it, guys. I mean, it's 600 points dump and pump, dump and pump. It's not easy. It's not easy. And especially if you're not a full-time trader, it's harder, right? Because for me, you know, I'm always outside during the day, and I have a lot of distractions, right? So if you've got a lot of distraction during the day and the market moves 600 points, yeah, you're gonna have a tough time sometimes. You're gonna go through some trouble for sure. Oh man, this price action is really boring at the moment, guys. What is up with this? Are we going to get a bounce? Yeah, I still am thinking that we get a bounce, guys. I think that's what I'm kind of thinking this is going to do. I think we try to get a bounce. But I mean, we also have a chance of a pullback though, you know, try to fake everybody out again. Right, we could get a pullback here like that, and then finally make a last attempt to kind of break out of this a little channel that we have here in the 850s, or maybe get a little bit more of a deeper pullback. So I would rather be out of this trade on an initial pullback, right? I could just exit this trade right here, to be honest. Yeah, I'll exit this trade right here. Wow, look at the gold, guys. I mean, the gold keeps moving. Gold is a lot more bullish right now, to be honest. I'll exit that trade, guys. I'll exit that trade. Wow, look at that gold. Yes, my shoe shear, you could take $1,600 on that account. Yeah, you could. All right, guys, we'll yeah, let's try to show some love, everybody, if you can. We'll go ahead and do our giveaway now. Might as well do it now, guys. And to the winner, you have 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. Wow, look at that dumpage. I didn't make much today. I had oh, I can't remember. Yeah, I lost my funded futures network exhibition account. Pretty much the same thing as funded account, really. So I lost one funded account with funded futures network, and then I had negative $2,000 PNL on 2 of my Apex funded account, and then everything else was kind of, you know, couple $100 up, you know, that's it. And I flipped a whole bunch of accounts again too. I didn't really get a chance to trade, so, and I didn't want to really chase. Yeah, you know, I'm missing a lot of trades, you know. I'm and at the same time I'm not Yeah, I'm missing a lot of trades, and at the same time, I'm not really rushing into trades as well. So it's kind of like, I don't know. Maybe it's a good thing for now. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, Mehdi Nix, man. Hey, thank you for your donation, bro. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, you didn't have to do that, but I mean, yeah, I really appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much, man. A big shout out to Mr. Mehdi Nix for his support to the stream. Yeah, Globex Asia today, not as great, but it's okay. We'll the market is tough, right? So we'll just have to move on, you know. At least the account's not blown, so that's fine. I still have how much drawdown? I still have like $4,000 drawdown on this account, so I think I'm in good books. Oh, I'm actually more concerned about the other one. That's $600 down on that stupid bad boy. All right. Anyways, we'll try to make it back again tomorrow. And then, oh, by the way, Mehdi Nix, man, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. A big shout out to Mehdi Nix in the house. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato. Are you a landscaper? We'll leave the landscaping to somebody else more professional than StockTiger. You know, I'll try to make payouts and hand over my payouts to the landscaper to do the job for me. What part of me looks like a landscaper, yo? One second. I'm gonna bring my landscaping work. One second. This is my landscaping work. Wow! Yeah, that's a golf stick, not a hockey stick. Yeah, so we get a little pullback here in the gold, and I think Enki is just chopping here, guys. Whatever. Let this market do its thing, guys. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't know. Honestly, I think, yeah, maybe the Enki try to get a balance into, you know, we may try to reattempt to try to get back to 25,000, I think, in my opinion, right? We get a little bit of a descending wedge here kind of playing out. Maybe a double bottom here as well, right? I don't know. Smell squeezy, everybody. Oh, and by the way, yeah, we got to get this giveaway going, and I'm gonna go get something to eat. And so let's try to get it done. Let's try to get it done, everybody. Like I said again, try to show some love. If you guys had a lot of fun watching StockTiger get into a swing trading with his golf stick, then smash the like, show some love. All right, fellow traders, I'm gonna shut it off now. I'm gonna close the entries so we can go ahead and call out the winner now. Thank you everybody for once again for being here. Yeah, not a great night, but it's fine. I saw a lot of drawdowns. That's fine. I can work with that drawdown. Absolutely, sir. All right, I'm gonna close the entries. And I'm learning to not trade the pro accounts, even though I've had this pro account for, I don't know, for about 4 days now. You know, we have a tendency to, as soon as we get a pro account, we're like, oh, daily payout, daily payout, daily payout, right? All of a sudden, it's like, oh well. And yeah, this is, yeah, for 4 days, I think 4 or 5 days, I don't know exactly, but I mean, I haven't traded in my my pro accounts, which is great. With this kind of a market condition, I could have easily lost those accounts, right? Easily, if I did. With the trading drawdown we have, yeah, we want those daily payouts. Oh, I wonder if Justin Wright's got his daily payout now. The dashboard is probably updated by now. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and pick the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. You got 1 minute, okay? You got uno minute, everybody. Uno, okay? So if you are not here, we're gonna have to redraw, and we're gonna have to look for. We're gonna have to look for the new winner. You just requested. Nice, 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 nice. Great stuff, Justin Wright. So that, there we go. There goes a new Lamborghini for Mr. Justin Wright. All right. By the way, I'm gonna put a timer on as soon as I pick the winner. All right, guys. A new Lamborghini, Land Cruiser, Lexus. I think that's what it's going after for, right? Which is great. All right, fellow traders, I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. Fund the Futures Network account. Let's go, baby. By the way, they got a BOGO deal 1+1 right now, right? So it's you're paying $75 for 2 accounts, right? 2 accounts. Lamborghini. Oh, not Lamborghini. Oh man, what am I saying? 2 accounts, not Lamborghini, guys. Don't. It's not Lamborghini. You're not winning a Lamborghini right now, okay? I made a mistake. You're winning Fund the Futures Network. And there's a promo right now, which 1+1, which obviously end up getting 2 accounts for $75. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. Good luck, Mr. FX Trader EU. FX Trader EU. FX Trader EU. You've got 1 minute. 1 minute to confirm. FX Trader EU, you've got 1 minute, less than 50 seconds. If you are not here, you know what happens. The golf stick, boom. Oh, I think we found a winner, guys. I think we got a winner. Unfortunately, we got a winner. Well, it's not an unfortunate thing, it's a great thing. We got FX EU. Oh dear, oh dear. You could have come in a little later, but it's okay. It's okay, you know. I understand. You're in a rush. I understand. Versa Trader, what's going on, brother? It's been a while. I haven't seen you, man. How's your trades going? Oh, that's the timer. So congrats to the winner. In 1 second. Yeah, the Enki, it looks like it wants to get a bounce, I think, but we'll see. I think it's gonna be a rough day. Yeah, you got CPI tomorrow morning, so I honestly I don't know. Looks like it wants to squeeze a little bit, but we'll see. But the risk reward is not there, to be honest. So I don't know. The risk reward is not there trading NQ at the moment, to be honest. You have more risk because it's a lot choppier, right? So than reward. The gold though, on the other hand, looks a lot better. Yeah, just send me a message on Discord. Just send me a friend request as well, and we'll go ahead and take care of your account. And yeah, I bought few 35 150k accounts, so hopefully I can do well with that too. And I'm also requesting a payout with the 35 funded account too. I think by tomorrow I should be able to request a payout. Small little payout, you know, maybe probably about $1,000, but I'll take it any day. Anyways, I think that's it. You know, we'll call it here. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow in the morning. So hopefully everybody, I hope you all have a great day. And oh, Versa Trade, you're listening while you're driving. Nice, man. Thank you. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate it, man. It's always great to see you here, by the way. And yeah, everybody, we'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. I hope you all have a great rest of the night. Take a little rest. And if you guys are trading a lot of evals tomorrow morning for the CPI, good luck. Good luck. For now, we'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. Everybody have a great rest of the night. God bless everybody. Thank you guys so much for hopping into the stream. Thank you so much for so much love, and thank you for using my code as well, Mr. Andrew. Thank you for being a member too. Sky Blue, thanks for being a member. CP Live, what does that mean? CP Live. What is that? CP Live? Stephen Doji, FX Trader. Yeah, and to all the members, by the way, I really appreciate you guys being a member. You know, thank you for your support to the stream. I never forget about you guys, and I really appreciate it. And also, I thank you everybody for using my code as well once again. And yeah, and thanks for always hopping in every day. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you for so much love. We'll see you guys back. Everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you guys. God bless and peace.